Hello everyone, this is episode 2 of my ballroom garland series. In the last video, I introduced the material used to make the ballroom garland and brought the basics ballroom. And in this video, I'm going to show you the first method to make the ballroom garland. This time I will use this long ballroom. Next time I will use this red, and I will tell you which one will be much more better. Okay, first of all, let's tie the ballroom. The first method to make the ballroom garland, just take two ballroom, step them together. Just use two ballroom and two ballroom, step them together. Look. Very simple. Just use the ballroom and wrap them. And then the other two ballroom. Look at this. This large ballroom and this large ballroom do not step together. Just change the place. Okay, like this. And then tie the ballroom one by one. After we finish the part of the pink color, then we can put this rose thread. And look, since the ballroom is short, so we need to tie with other ballroom. This is the shortage of using this long ballroom, because we need to stop and connect to make it longer. Okay, go on. Okay, finally, I tie all the 10-inch ballroom together. So at the end, this long ballroom, we can tie this ballroom together. Oh, this ballroom, the air come out, so this ballroom broken. But anyway, just go ahead. Okay, completed with the ballroom garland. And now let's tie it onto the backdrop. We accept customize this type of backdrop. If you are interested about it, how to set up, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. About the material used to tie the garland onto the backdrop, normally use this hook. There are some group on the back. Just stick it on the backdrop and tie the rubber band or the long ballroom on the hook, and then tie on the garland will be okay. If you don't have this type of hook, you can use the clip. Any clip can hold the ballroom and the backdrop sturdy will be okay. So on this tutorial, I will show you by using these two clips. Very simple, just tie the long ballroom on the clip. Okay, very sturdy. Okay, then let's clip it on the backdrop will be okay. And okay, look, after we put all the clip on the backdrop, then let's tie our ballroom garland onto the backdrop. Okay, look, let's tie it from the bottom to the top. And since I'm holding the foam, it's not convenient for me to show you all the procedure, but I can show you how I tie it from the bottom. We just need to bend the ballroom garland to match the shape of the backdrop will be okay. Okay, let's starting with the bottom. Look. Use the long ballroom and tie red to tie on the ballroom will be okay. Just red on the ballroom will be okay. Okay, sturdy. And now the other one. Okay, use the same method to tie the whole ballroom garland. Let's check the effect. Okay, completed with the base of the garland. And actually, it's very sorry to cannot show you the whole procedure in very detail because I'm holding the phone. Actually, very simple. Look, this is long ballroom. You can buy them online or any ballroom store. Now I call it elastic band. Just this band, elastic band, and pick a ballroom close to the band and wrap it. Just wrap it will be okay. You don't even need to tie the knot. Just wrap the ballroom will be okay. Okay, following, let's put the large ballroom on the garland. And this time I will use this rubber band. Look, this rubber band. Okay, attach the large ballroom. Look, I blow and tie the ballroom like this. Use a small ballroom. And then use our rubber band. Look, like this. Go through the middle of these two ballroom. And then cross like this. And then pick one ballroom. For example, this ballroom. Just put this rubber band through the ballroom will be okay. Like this. Okay, look. And then adjust the place of this large ballroom. For this large ballroom, we need to make sure it will attach to the floor. Okay, the next large ballroom. And since the first large ballroom on this side, so the next ballroom we will tie it on this side. Okay, so using the same method, I put all the large ballroom on the garland. And then the next step, we need to put on this small ballroom. This is 5-inch ballroom. Very simple. You can just use this 2 ballroom and the rubber band and put on the garland. Or you can use 2 of this ballroom. Look, wrap them and use the rubber band. Then attach to the garland. Okay, completed. Let's check the whole effect. Okay, in fact, we can put more small ballroom to fill the other gap, since I do not have enough time to do it. You can attach more 10-inch ballroom on the bottom to make the ballroom on the bottom much more full. The come out will be much more pretty. And for your information, if you want to buy the ballroom garland kit online to make the ballroom quantity not enough. If you want to make the garland, you need to buy 2 kits, maybe more. Because look at this, my backdrop is not very large, but the ballroom not enough to make a ballroom garland like this. I put several additional more ballroom to make the garland. Okay, let's zoom in for the detail. Look, you need to buy more additional ballroom to fill the gap and make the ballroom garland long enough. Look. You can make it much more full, much more pretty by using more ballroom. And if you don't want to reuse this ballroom garland, actually use the glue spot to group the small ballroom on the garland will be much more easy. The rubber band or the long ballroom, not easy for a new maker. Look, use the ballroom group to stick the small ballroom on the garland will be much more easy. Look, I already sewed this glue on my old tutorial. If you are interested, click here for my old video. Okay, now let's put on the pedestal and stick our side. Okay, look, this is the effect after I stick the side. You can make the side larger. Okay, and then let's set up our pedestal and put on our cake. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you the detail about this pedestal, if you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, completed with everything. Let's check the whole effect. Okay, look. Let's check it from top and from the bottom. Okay, look. This is today's tutorial. Please support by like, share, and don't skip the ad as supporting. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.